Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Phole KB from Digambara Bindu Mahavidyalaya Bokar. Today we are going to see BCom third year syllabus, which is drafted with effect from 2018 and 19. We are going to study the subject Management Accounting paper first. In that paper, there are 5 chapters included. The first one is Introduction to Management Accounting, second, Fund Flow Statement, and third, Cash Flow Statement, fourth, Marginal Costing and Break-Even Analysis, and the fifth and last one chapter is Budget and Budgetary Control. Now we are going to see the chapter first, Introduction to Management Accounting. In that chapter, we have to study those contents which are given by the syllabi, which are meaning, nature, scope and functions of management accounting, role of management accounting, and role of management accounting in decision making, and the last one is management accounting and financial accounting and the difference between those accounts with each other. So the first we are going to discuss the meaning of management accounting. The term management accounting is of recent origin. The origin of management accounting can be treated to overcome the limitations of financial and cost accounting. Which are the limitations of financial and cost accounting? After studying the management accounting, we can eliminate some limitations of those accounts by the studying of management accounting. It is used in describe the modern concept of accounts as an important tool of management accounting in contrast to conventional account prepared mainly for financial and statistical information. So in ordinary language, the management accounting can be defined as a modern concept of accounting serving as a tool of management in taking logical decisions. In the financial sections, when we are going to decide about the financial statements at that time, we have to study about the management accounting concepts. So the management accounting is the presentation of accounting information in such a way as to assist operations of an undertaking. So in the form of accounting which is helpful in increasing managerial efficiency is management accounting, where we go to study or to take a decision about financial situation of our business at that time. We have to study the functions of management accounting and we have to understand the role of management accounting in decision making of managerial decision. That's why some experts can also call it as accounting for management. Those accounting system or those accounting functions are useful in making decisions. This accounting system is called as management accounting. There are many definitions which are given by the many authors. So we will study the definition and the meaning in a broad manner which are given by many authors. The first one is Robert Anthony. They have given the definition of management accounting. They are saying management accounting is concerned with accounting information which is useful to management. Those accounting concepts are those accounting datas, those information which is given in the business organization which is helpful to take the decision for the management. that data or that system is called as management. As we have seen, the management accounting is concerned with the accounting information. Which accounting information is helpful in taking a managerial decision at that time? This system or this accounting method or this information is called as a managerial decision making information, and which is helpful to taking a decision. So management accounting is the term used to describe the accounting methods, systems and techniques which, coupled with special knowledge and ability, assist management and it is task of maximizing profit or maximizing losses.